So in this video, we are going to learn about the another very important concept of the carbon and its compound chapter, that is the formula and structure of saturated hydrocarbons and also unsaturated hydrocarbons, that is alkane, alkene and alkynes. Okay, so we learn here the writing of formula and then writing of the structure of the structural formula, right, of hydrocarbons. Then next point in this video we will learn about the electron dot structure. The three or four very important electron dot structures are there, which are very important for the examination. So that we learn today. Okay, so let us start without waste of time. The first concept, that is saturated hydrocarbons. Okay, now see the formula and the structure of saturated hydrocarbons. So here we know that the scatenation property, the formula of hydrogen and carbon. So we have to know about the number of carbons are attached to each chain. Okay, so we know that about the chain structure, that catenation. Okay, the property of and the ability of the carbon to make a long chain, or maybe it is one carbon, two carbon or three carbon. For example, if a chain if a chain having only one carbon, okay, number of carbon right here, number of carbon. If in the given hydrocarbon, if the number of carbons is 1, right, if the number of carbon is 1, then we call them as a meth. Okay, we call them as a meth. That is nothing but what? A meth name. Okay, that is nothing but a name. We call them as a meth. Okay, so that is very important. If the number of carbons in the given compound is only one C is present, one carbon atom is present, so that called as a meth. Okay, now it is meth. Now check whether it is saturated or unsaturated. If it is having single bond, we call them as unsaturated. If having double or triple bond, we call them as an unsaturated. So next is to check the number of bonds, if 1, 2 or 3. So if the number of, because saturated, we are learning about the saturated. So saturated nothing but what? It is nothing but alkane, right? It is nothing but alkane. Okay, it is alkane. Now if it is alkane means, so what happened here? Last A-N-E you have put here. Okay, that is what? A-N-E. So it is called a methane, right? So meth is for one carbon and A-N-E, okay, that is A-N-E is for alkane, right? So now we know that general formula of this, okay, that is CnH2, okay, CnH2n plus 2, right? This is the general formula for alkane, right? So now see, if the carbon is 1, that is what is formula here? Okay, we have formula. Here we write structure, right? If the number of carbon is 1, nothing but n is equal to 1. Okay, n is equal to 1. So now we have put 1. Okay, C1, that is C, then H, 2 times of 1 plus 2. Okay, then C, H times of 4. Right? So now what happens here? 2 to 2 and 2 plus 2, that is 4. It is what? The methane. So now CH4 nothing but what? Methane. Okay, methane. And now structure of methane. So we know that it is only one carbon. So like that. So the number of valency. How much valency are there? That is 4 valency. One valency, one bond, second bond, third bond, and fourth bond. So right, what happened here? We get C, H, H and H. 4 valency, 4 hydrogen are attached to it. Okay, sharing between carbon and hydrogen. And now which type bond it is? It is covalent bond. Okay, it is covalent bond. Now covalent bond. So how many covalent bond are there? So calculate 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond and 4 bond. So total 4 covalent bond are present in the methane. So now this first one. Okay, this is the first alkane. Okay, first member of, it's called as first member of alkane family, right? So we call it as an first member of alkane family. That is nothing but what? That is nothing but methane. So very important, you have to remember, that is the first member of alkane family, that is what? Methane, CH4. Okay, if you not remember the formula means you have to remember met is equal to 1. Now put the value here, we get automatic formula here. So that is what methane. Okay, so here this one thing we have to be learn about that, right? So now write down these all things, right? So next point after that, right? If imagine that, okay, if the compound contain 2 carbons, if the compound contain 2 carbons, so what happened about that? So that for that we call eth. Okay, we call eth, right? If there is 2 carbons are present in the given compound, hydrogen compound, hydrocarbons, then we write 2 carbons. If there is present means, and that case we call them as a eth. Okay, meth for 1, eth for 2. Now because of it is alkane unsaturated, sorry, it is alkane saturated, so we put here ANE, right? ANE. Okay, so remember here this is for this eth for 2 carbon, right? And this ANE is for alkane. You have to remember that one. Okay, very important for naming the compounds, right? So eth for the number of carbon, that is 2 carbon, it is eth, and for why ANE, because of the it is alkane family, right? So now let us see the formula and the structure here. So see here, now let us see if the number of carbon 2 nothing means that is CnH2n plus 2. If n is equal to 2 means that is C2H2 into 2 plus 2. So C2H 2 to 4 plus 2, then C2H6. So answer is that is C2H6. It is what nothing but methane. Okay, sorry, it is nothing but ethane, right? C2H is nothing but ethane. Now come to the formula. 2 carbon, write that. Okay, you have to write like that 2 carbon single bond, because of alkane single bond, right? I put single bond here. Why single bond? Because of it is alkane. Okay, saturated single bond. So now see, the 1 valency is used here means 3 valency is there, 3 valency here, and the 3 valency of this carbon here. So satisfy this carbon 4 valency, 1 attached to carbon, 2, 3 and 4. This carbon valency 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So now here 1 is used by carbon-carbon compound, then this by 1H, 2H, 3H, 1H, 2H, 3H. So see, compare here C2, H6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now let us see. This is nothing but what? Second member of alkane family, that is what ethane. And next number of covalent bond. Okay, number of covalent bond. So how many number of covalent bond here? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. That is total 7 number of covalent bonds are present in the ethane compound, right? So this is nothing but students second one, right? So first one is meth and second one is eth. Now let us see if the number of carbons are 3. If the number of carbons are 3, in that case we call them as an pro. Okay, we call them as a pro, right? Very important, if the number of carbons is 3 means we call them as a pro. Because of it is saturated alkane, so we write as last ANE. Okay, so last water suffix we write as ANE. So it is a propane. Why pro? Because of 3 carbon, and why A? Because of the ANE, because of the alkane. Okay, last 3 members. So see here again repeated. Okay, now do yourself. See here, a number of carbons are 3. So what happened? Cn. Okay, Cn C3. And 2 times of 3 plus 2. So C3, 6 plus 2, that is C3H8. Right? So now see formula. So 3 carbons are there. Carbon, carbon, carbon. So because of the alkane saturated, those will be single bond. Right? Now it is 1, 2, 3. 3 valency is there. So that is 1, 2, 3. Right? Because of 1 use here. So 3. The next here. This carbon 1 valency use here, 1 valency use here means only 2 valency is there. 1 here hydrogen and 1 here hydrogen. Total 4. This carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this carbon 1 use means 1 here and 1 here. Okay, so total check here the formula and cross check here. So 3 carbon, 1, 2, 3 carbon, 8 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now let us see the number of covalent bond here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 10 covalent bonds. 10 covalent bonds, right? So this is what the propane third. If the number of carbons are 4, then that case we can put An as it is in the suffix, but the prefix is what Cl. If the number of carbons are 4, that we call it as a bute, not but, it is bute. Okay, and last An, so it is butane, right? So bute is for 4 carbon and An for alkane, so it is what the butane, right? Butane means how many carbons? 4 carbons. Now replace all the things. 4, so we get 8 and here we get 10, right? So see here the butane formula is, so here is 4, right? That is C4H10. C4H10. C means what? Extend here one carbon only, right? So I can make another carbon. So 4 carbons here, 3 valence, 4 valence, total 3 is there. So now let us check. 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon and hydrogen 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Now see the number of covalent bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, it is what? 13 covalent bonds are present. Right? So this is one by one we have to be learned. So up to we have 6 here. So next we take 5. If the number of carbons in the chain is 5, so in that case what I can see, if the 5 we can call them as a pent. Okay, we call it as a pent. Okay, not sorry, penta, it is pent. Okay, so pentane. Okay, pent means 5 and then because of alkene it's called pentane. Okay, so it is pentane. So now let us see, pent is for 5 carbon, right, and Ane for alkane. Now let us see here, N is equal to 5. So what happened here? N is equal to 5. I can change here 5. Okay, 5. Now it is 10, 2, 5, 10. Then it is 5. And now it is 10 and 12. Right? So that is what? C5H12. Right? So I can extend here one time. Right? I can take another one carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon. So now see, attach here. So we get total hydrogen 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right? So that is number of carbon is here. Covalent bond is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay, 3 increases. It is what? 16. Every time 3 increases because of 3 values here. So 3 increases. So we get 16. So that is student about the pentane. If the number, that is last one, if the number of carbon is 6, okay, 7, 8 is there, but in the syllabus last 6 is last there. So 6, then what happens? See, in the case of 6, we can write it as a hex. Okay, we can write it as a hex. Hex because of alkane is Ane, hexane. Now see, if the hexane, the number of carbon is for 6, for that is hexane, hex. And next see, 6 nothing but, okay, here N. So 6, so here 6, here 6. Now it is 6 means it is 12. Okay, 12 nothing but what it is? 14. Okay, right, it is 14. So we get 6, C6H 14. Okay, so extend one carbon here. So we get structure that is here. Okay. So see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Right? So number of carbons now 19 because of 3 increases. Right? Let's see one time. Okay, up to here it is 16. So 3 increase is 19. So check, recheck 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Right? It is 19. So these are what students about the structure and it is name. It is formula and it is structural formula, structural of the alkanes. Okay, so these are students about the structure and formula and structure of the alkane. So we are know about the one thing here common, that is what about the suffix and prefix. Okay, for example, if it is 1 means it is meth, okay, 2 means it is eth, and it is 3 means it is prop, and 4 it is bute, and 5 it is pent, and 5, 6 it is hex. Okay, after that we have to be depend on the double, it's a single bond Ane, if the double bond Ene, and if the triple bond is Yne. Okay, so I write here one by one. So see here, in the case of all the things, right? So how you have to put the formulas? See here, if we can take for alkane, okay, for example alkane, okay, here for alkene, okay, for unsaturated alkyne, okay. So for that, see here, one is for one is for meth, okay, two is for eth, right, and then third is for pro, and 4 is for but, okay, 5 is for pen, next 6 is for hex. Okay, here also same, one carbon is meth, and 2 carbon is eth, and 3 for pro, and 4 for but, and 5 for pen, and 6 for hex. Next, here also same alkyne, 1 for meth, okay, then eth 2, pro 3, but 4, and pen 5, and hex is 6. Right, see, because of the ENE, we can put here ENE, ANE and ANE, no, not ANE, because alkane is ANE, because that is what is called as a ethane, methane, butane, propane, pentane, hexane. In the case of this, if the compound has a double bond, okay, like that, C double bond C is there in the compound, the bond between the carbon is double. Here is C single bond C, it is alkane. If the C double bond C is there, that is the bond between carbon double, in that case we call them as an ene, right? So in the last we get ene. So it is methane, not methane, it is methane, it is ethene, it is propene, it is butene, it is pentene, it is hexene, right? It is what EN, because in the case of second bond, 2 double bonds. Okay, now if the carbon triple bond we observe, if the compound in the structure compound having carbon triple bond, in the that we use, that is meth for 1, correct? But because of this triple bond we can use YNE. Okay, YNE. So it is called methyne, it is ethyne, it is propyne. Okay, it is propyne, it is called butane, it is called pentyne, YNE, it is called hexyne, YNE. So like that we have to be changed. But the first one, okay, the suffix, that is what prefix, okay, the prefix is same for third, okay, for this one, that is method, ether, propo, butane, is same for 3 categories. But what is difference here? For single bond it is ANE and the last suffix, and in the case of double bond it is ENE, and in the case of triple bond it is YNE. So that time we have to be take we see the number of covalent bond 1, 2 or 3. So that decide is saturated or unsaturated, and then we can calculate the number of carbon that decide the meth, eth, propane. Okay, so meth, eth depend on the number of carbon, and it's an ANE, ENE, and YNE is depend on the double bond, triple or the single bond. Okay, you have to remember on that point. You have to name the given compounds. Right. So this is about the structure, the formula, and the structure of saturated hydrocarbons, and also we take the names of the unsaturated hydrocarbons here. Okay. So one point is your homework part. If you know about that name, then write the formulas. Okay, that is your homework. Write the structure formula of methane, ethene, propene, butene, pentene, and hexene. That is homework for you. And then this is also write the structure formula of alkyne, that is methane, butane, propane, pentane, hexane, and ethyne. You have to be write the structure formula of these. That is a homework for you. Okay, so these are about the structure. Now let us see the very important point of today's chapter. That is second point. That is about the dot structure of the ethene, and the methane. Okay, that is 3 or more is there. So we are solved today. That is very important for 2 marks. So I can remove this one. So please write down these all names and write yourself as a homework. That is what the structures of these compound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 total 12 structures of alkene and alkynes. That is unsaturated. That is yourself. Okay. So we know about the number of carbon here, and we know about the ENE for double bond, YNE for triple bond, and ANE for single bond. So as single bond we finished today in this video, and now let us take about double bond and triple bond yourself only. Okay, right? So see next point about the today's video, and that is last point of today's video. That is what the electron dot structure. That is very important. That is what involves the sharing of electrons, right? So I can write here. To see the electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Electron dot structure. Okay, so that is very important. So the first one we take today, that is about the electron dot structure of ethane. Okay, ethane. Number one, today we learn about the electron dot structure of ethane. Right? So see here about ethane. So for drawing a electron dot structure, there is nothing but what? The writing the structure, right? The structure. So we require a formula, right? It is CH, okay, CH hydrogen carbon, ethane, because of the ethane is a hydrocarbon, right? CH. So now let's see, eth means what? Eth means nothing but if given is what? Eth. Okay, so eth nothing but what? In eth, how many carbons are there? C are there. How many carbons are there? Take the table, okay? In this video we will take meth nothing but one carbon, eth nothing but two carbon, right? Two carbon, right? So what is about ANE? ANE nothing but ANE. AN nothing but what is it? Is alkane, right? Okay. Alkane nothing but what? Single bond. Single bond. That is what? C single bond C. Right? C single bond C. So we get formula here today. So that is Cl. We know that about alkane formula. That is Cl H2n plus 2. Okay, so n given 2, correct? Number of carbons given 2 because of eth nothing but 2. And next 2 into 2 plus 2. So that is we get 2, 4 plus 2. That is total 2 and it is 6. So this formula is molecular formula. Okay, only name is given. So one thing is to identify the formula and now put the structure form, but in the form of dot structure. We show the electron there, right? So see here, how many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there. Okay, right? 2 carbons are there. Now we know that one carbon having 4 valence electron, right? So 4 valence electron here, 1 valence electron, 2 valence electron, 3 valence electron, and 4. So cross one show the electrons, number of electrons. Okay. So next here, here also 4 electron, 2 electron, 3 electron, 4. Why 4 electron valence? So we know that the configuration of carbon, your atomic number is 6. So we get what? 2 and 4. So 4 valence electron. So see now, how many hydrogen is there? 6 hydrogen means, so see here 1 hydrogen I write here of 1, okay, atomic number of hydrogen 1 means 1 valence. So hydrogen is 1 valence here, and then hydrogen is 1 valence here. Okay, 3 hydrogen. Now here 1 hydrogen, 1 valence of hydrogen, and this round so 1 valence of hydrogen, and the 1 valence of hydrogen. See here, hydrogen having 1 valency, right? Now the sharing is taken place because in the hydrocarbons we know that covalent bond is formed. It is involves the sharing of the electron between the elements. Now this carbon can share the electrons with that element to form the octet. Okay, octet group. So let us see which type of bond form here. So let us see first this carbon share with this. Okay, and next now this hydrogen share one with this one, so it is get doublet, and now this share with this, it is get, okay, now this share with this, it is get, now this hydrogen share this with, it is get 2, and now it is get 2. Now see, there is an, I can make like that. Okay, so here see, the hydrogen having only 1 electron, and it by sharing 1 electron, 1 more electron from the carbon, it is get 2. When it is stable, okay, 2 or 8, but here 2 is there, but it is stable. So see here, right there. Now see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? Now the hydrogen is carbon is required to share how many electrons? Total how many there? Carbon having C carbon having 1 electron, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 means another, okay, 7 and 1 another required means what I can see here, the carbon can make like that. Like that. Now see this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 each. Right? Now this carbon can make like that of taking this hydrogen. So see here like that. So now content it is total 8. So see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Means what? This carbon share 1 electron with this carbon and this carbon share 1 electron with this carbon. And the hydrogen share 1 electron. So what happened? This is the electron dot structure. If and that is why we write here like that. See here, how many carbons are shared? 1 means single bond H, 1 share means single bond H. Okay, 1 of hydrogen carbon and 1 of hydrogen, 1 electron share, 1 single bond, and here single bond. Here also 1 share. Because of that, it is single bond. Okay, and is 1 share, it is single bond, and it is a single bond. Right. So this is one student about electron dot structure of the ethane. That is very important. So by using the name we can write the formula, and by formula we can write, because of it is ethane, so we can make like that sharing, because covalent bond is formed, so we can write sharing. First we can balance for hydrogen having 1 valence electron. If hydrogen can take 1 share 1 electron with carbon, they can 2 metal is stable. Okay, first orbit having 2 electrons, so 1 orbit of hydrogen is stable here. By sharing 1 electron with the carbon, it is get to 2 is stable. But we know that carbon having 2 orbit and the outermost orbit must require 8 electrons. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there, so 1 require is there, so can carbon share with this 1 carbon. And then here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is there, so carbon require another 1 electron, so total here share 1 electron of this carbon, so we get the electron dot structure of this ethane. Right? So student, this is very important examination. It is, if write like that much means you get 1 to 2 marks. Okay, so that is very important. So now let's pause the video and draw this diagram. Right, now take the number 2, that is second one, and that is ethene. Okay, that is about ethene. Number 2 is ethene. So now we take ethane, and now it is time to ethene. Right, so I can now remove all these things. Now let us take the first, the formula of the common compound. Okay, we not required to memorize. Okay, you understand thinking E is nothing but 2 carbon, right? N is equal to 2 carbon. Now it is E and E, E and is equal to what? That is unsaturated. That is what? Alkene. Alkene is equal to double bond. Carbon double bond. So now if the alkene means, general form of alkene is CnH2n only. -2 for alkyne, right? So now put the formula. N is equal to 2. Okay, N is equal to 2 and the H 2 into 2, so we get N2, H is 4. H is 4. Okay, so we get formula. Now see here, carbon. Okay, so we get here 2 bond, double bond is there because of alkene is double bond. So means that 2 electrons are shared. This carbon share 2 electrons with this carbon, right? So for convenience I can write here 1 valence electron of carbon, 1 valence electron of carbon, and 1 valence electron, 1 total 4 valence electron. Why I write like that? Because we know that in the alkene it is double bond. So double bond meaning what? The sharing of 2 pair of electrons, right? So 1 pair means it is 1 pair and 2 pair. Because I write for easy to making structure, I write here. And now here also 4 carbon is there. So 4 valency is there. 1 valency, 2 valency, 3 valency, and 4 valency. And we know that carbon about 4 valency, 2 valency as used means here 1 hydrogen, here 1 hydrogen only. Okay, satisfied. So there is 1 hydrogen of this 1 electron, and 1 hydrogen of 1 electron, and then 1 hydrogen of 1 electron, and 1 hydrogen of 1 electron. Okay, satisfied. See here this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 use means 1 here share here, so it is satisfied. 1, 2, 3, 4, it is 1 here satisfied. Okay, there is no here electron to be make bond because 4 electrons are used up here. Now see one by one. So it is easy to make first hydrogen. See here the hydrogen carbon share 1 electron. Okay, and then here see carbon hydrogen share one electron, so it is satisfied, hydrogen satisfied. Now here also same, the hydrogen carbon one electron, sharing one electron, that is one electron. Now the time for the carbon to be make them stable, hydrogen now stable by making the first orbit 2. Now it is time to make the carbon stable. So see here, carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So carbon having 6. Carbon in how many electrons? 6 electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Means how many electrons required? Right. That is required 2 electrons. So very important, you have to be write like that. It is completed, right? It is complete. See, now counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Now let us see. Means what? These 2 electrons sharing these 2 electrons. Now we have also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2 requirements. We can write that. Okay, like that. So now satisfy. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. So see here, one bond here, one bond here. So double bond. So we can write it as that. Okay, hydrogen here, hydrogen here, hydrogen here. And because of one pair is one bond and second pair is for second bond. So total 2 bond. So it is what? Ethene. Okay. It is what ethene. So this is one electron dot structure of ethene. So like that we have to be solved, students. Okay. So very important to know about the knowledge about the what is eth, what is meth, that what is prop, what is but, what is pent, and what is hex. Right. So that is very important. And the second one is very important. E and nothing but double bond, Y anything but triple bond, and only A anything but a single bond. Okay. That is depend on that we can easily. Okay. If you know the general formula, we can easily write down the formula, and then using formula we easily can be calculated, we easily can draw the electron dot structure. Okay, then take last structure of this video. It is the another one is there. Can take. Okay, another one is there, that is methane. Okay, methane. Okay, last structure of today's video, that is about methane. Now, try to solve this one, methane. So, if you know the answer, pause the video and first write the structure of dot structure of methane and later check it. Okay. So, I can give a time for a minute, 30 seconds, and write down all the points. Okay, write the formula and then write the structure. It is very easy, I think. Okay, the last electron dot structure. Okay, like that you have to practice for pentane, butane, mode. So many are there. Okay, 6 for alkane, 6 for alkene, and 6 for total 18 are there. So practice one by one. So for knowledge, I can solve only 3 here, right? So now let's see about meth. Meth is the important. If the meth is given, so number of carbon is how much? That is what the variable is 1, right? For carbon 1, and A and E is given. A and the carbon single bond, carbon alkane. So the formula is for alkane CN H2N plus 2. So N is equal to 1, then 2 times of 1 plus 2. So we get C H2 2, it is 4. Right? So simple, very easy. So 1 carbon, very easy. Then 1 valency, 2 valency, 3 valency, 4 valency. So 4 valency satisfied means 4 hydrogen here, hydrogen 1 valency, hydrogen 1 valency, hydrogen 1 valency, hydrogen 1 valency. Right? So we get here this one share, this one share, this one share, and this one share. Right? Now this hydrogen completed. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4 means 4 requires the carbon can make like that. Carbon can make like that. Right? So this is students about the electron dot structure of the compound, that is what? Methane. Right? That is what about methane. Right? We satisfy here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, that is for carbon 8, and for hydrogen 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So these are students all about the electron dot structure. So one homework is there. One homework is given about the structure of ethene, alkene, and alkyne. One homework, and the second homework is write the electron dot structure of. Okay, write the electron dot structure of carbon dioxide. Okay, so we have to be solve this one. So we know about the carbon dioxide, its formula is what? C double bond, okay, O and double bond O, like that, right? Okay, so how do we solve this one, right? So how it is we make the structure of electron dot structure of this orbit. Okay, we know about that in last class. We write about this one. Okay, C double bond O, there is carbon dioxide. So now put the structure dot for carbon dioxide. This is homework for you. So okay students, this is the today class about the name and the number formula, structure formula of the alkane and alkyne. And we learn today about the what is meaning of meth, what is meaning of eth, prop, pent, bute and hex. Okay, in the meth how many carbons are there, in eth how many carbons are there, bute how many carbons are there, and by using that we can put the value of n into the general formula of the alkene and alkyne, and then we can make the formula, we design the formula, and based on design the formula we are able to write the dot structure and the structure formula, and also calculate the number of covalent bonds. Okay, so also we learn today about the electron dot structure, very important electron dot structure of the methane, ethane and ethene. Okay, so how it is double bond, how it is sharing is there between, how the carbon satisfy 8. Okay, so one point remember that carbon is require 8 electrons, so share in such a way that we get total 8 electrons in carbon, and hydrogen require 2 electrons, so share like that we get 2 electrons. Okay, so this is a very important concept, right? So we learn today, so practice more and more on this concept, take more and more compounds, and try to solve the electron, try to draw the electron dot structure on that. Okay, so hope you understand all this concept. So in the next video we are take about the another function groups. Okay, the function that is very important. In the function group, one hydrogen can be removed, and the place of one hydrogen we can put so many functional alcohol, and so many functional groups are there. So that is change the properties, chemical property, physical property of the compound. So what is that one? That is also called hydroatoms. Okay, that all we learn in the next video, in the next class, students. Okay, so one point is there isomers, and that can be taken in the next class. So that is enough for today's class. So in the next class we will take very important concepts about isomers and about the functional groups. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and if any doubt means comment in the comment box. Okay, I try to solve that one. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, and meet in the next video with the new another very important concept of this chapter. Okay, so again thank you very much.